The news and the situation over the last couple of weeks have felt a little scary. With the pandemic spreading globally, the world right now feels crazy and chaotic and just very, very small. But I don't want to focus on any of those things. Instead, I want to focus on 10 ideas that can help restore a sense of calm, balance, and peace into our lives. Hi, I'm Asta, and welcome to this Friday evening. Taking the time to quieten our mind and meditate is a good tool for everyday life, but it becomes a great tool when we are stressed or anxious. A meditation session doesn't need to be long. It can be as quick as 5 minutes early in the morning as we focus on our breath and set the intention for the day. While starting our day with meditation doesn't guarantee that we won't feel any stress or anxiety, it does, however, guarantee that we will handle each stressful situation with more calm, fortitude, and grace. As we practice social distancing and stay at home, it's easy to go stir crazy because of being cooped inside all day. Having an exercise routine which allows us to move our body every day is a great way to burn off the extra energy and stay calm. Whether we do this by practicing yoga or taking online exercise classes or going for early morning walks, incorporating movement into our everyday lives can definitely help with stress management. This time at home can be a chance for us to work on our fitness and health goals. Washing our hands frequently, covering our mouths when we sneeze, avoiding large gatherings, staying indoors, and practicing social distancing. These are all things we can do to help flatten the curve of spreading the disease. The goal is to slow the spread of the disease so that the healthcare systems can support the people who actually need the help and are in critical condition. The reality is, no single individual can stop the spread of the disease by themselves, but we can all play a role in flattening the curve. We can choose to stay at home and play our part in slowing the spread of the disease. The right food can nourish our body and help keep our immune system strong and healthy. Nutrient-dense antioxidant smoothies using frozen fruits and vegetables, hearty soups and stews using pantry staples, and speedy pastas, which are veggie-loaded, can be the basis of quick, easy, everyday meals. We can use this time indoors to amp up our cooking skills and make healthier choices so we emerge on the other side feeling strong, fit, and healthy. Each meal can be an opportunity to honor our bodies and treat it with loving kindness. A strong immune system is the body's first line of defense against infection and disease, and eating nourishing meals can definitely help with that. Reducing in-person interactions can leave you feeling isolated and lonely, but technology can definitely help with this. We can regularly video chat and talk to our families, friends, and loved ones. Using FaceTime or WhatsApp to talk to the people we love is a great way to feel connected without putting anyone's health at risk. It's tempting to constantly refresh the news to stay updated and in the know, but being constantly inundated with headlines and notifications is not helpful. It only contributes to a sense of panic and alarm. As the pandemic unfolds, it is vitally important for all of us to stay informed and in the know so we can make the right decisions for ourselves and our families. But by setting limits on how often we check the news, we can help reduce the cycle of anxiety and panic that a lot of us are feeling. A good rule that I'm trying to follow is to check the news just twice a day. Checking the news less frequently and only getting it from reliable sources helps reduce the sense of unease and nervousness while still allowing us to stay informed and in the know. We're all feeling uncertain and stressed during this time, but this can also be a chance for us to practice kindness and compassion in our everyday lives. Most of us are ordering food and essentials online, and this can be an incredible opportunity to be extra generous when it comes to tipping those who are making the deliveries. It can be an easy way to express gratitude and give thanks for the incredible service they are providing to the entire community. If there is an elderly neighbor, we can offer to go get their groceries for them. Instead of overstocking our pantries, we can buy just enough so that the store shelves are not running empty and there is enough for everyone. We can order foods from our local restaurants and support small businesses. This can be a season for kindness and compassion if we seize this opportunity. Another side to the whole pandemic is the financial impact it is having on the economy and businesses, both big and small. While it's hard to predict what will happen to the economy short to medium term, having an emergency fund which can cover all your living expenses for 3 to 6 months is a great idea, especially right now. While none of us control the macroeconomic factors like the stock market or the global economy, we do control our spending and saving habits. We can choose to create a budget and stick to it. If there is an economic slowdown that occurs over the next 6 months, having a fully funded emergency savings account to fall back on can be a great source of mental peace. Whether you choose to journal or relax with a face mask or curl in for the evening with a good book, now is the time to show yourself grace, compassion, and kindness. There are a lot of uncertainties and unknowns right now. Grounding ourselves in self-love and self-care can help make this time feel a lot more peaceful and calm. The next couple of weeks or months, depending on how long the pandemic lasts, can be a time of incredible isolation and frustration, or they can be weeks where we grow, learn, and become better versions of ourselves. We can use this time to learn a new hobby like photography or take a ceramic class or read books which change our worldview and teach us something new. Over the next few months, we're all going to be faced with a choice. Is this a season for personal growth and development, or is it a season for frustration and fear as we stay indoors? Since the choice is ours, why not choose to make this a season for growth? While we do not have any control over how the pandemic will unfold over the next couple of weeks or maybe even months, we do have control over how we react to the circumstances. We have control over the choices we make and where we choose to spend our time. I hope some of these ideas help bring a sense of calm and normalcy amidst all of the chaos and the stress we've all been feeling. I'm signing off. I will see you here again next week. Until then, namaste.